hours ba? Kamusta? After 26 hours, dahil proklama na rin kayo, bakit niyo po sinimulan sa mensaheng Let's All Heal?
Well, before I answer that, again, now it's official. Chichi and I and most of the Yormes Choice who won the local election in Manila have been proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa aking mga minamahal na lolo't lola. I love you. Mga nanay tatay natin na senior citizen at siyempre yung ating mga batang Maynila for the overwhelming support. And I hope this is just a start of our journey together. The people and the government works hand in hand to have a better city of Manila. Samahan niyo po kami. Umpisa pa lang po ito. But for the meantime, in the next few days, Chichi and I and the newly elected members of the City Council will meet in preparation of plans that we promise to our people. So, yun. Second, 26 hours.
Gusto rin second, John. Yung pag-usapan
Baliwala
natin.
yung hintay namin 26 hours. 3 years naghintay ang taong bayan. So yung paghintay namin 26, wala yung maliit na bagay. But when I said we should start healing ourselves, simply because maraming mga masasakit na salita na naibato sa aming mga leader, sa amin, Chichi, ako, and all other things. But again and again, I just wanted to lead the city with no hatred among each other. I think we should come up with any way of art of random kindness sa ating isa sa isa't isa. Mas gusto ko yung bati-bati na lang tayo. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman mga batang Maynila makikita sa finals. And those people who comes in and out of the city. So we have an obligation to do in the coming 6 weeks. We will prepare and I think we need to do what we have to do for the people of Manila. So that's why gusto ko, we start from healing. Bati-bati na tayo. Ako, okay na ako. Nasaktan kami, don't get me wrong. Emotionally, psychologically, we were hurt. But the people overwhelmingly spoken. And that we respect. And I think that's good enough vindication for Chichi and I and the entire group. So we are very grateful about it. And we start moving on. And we move forward. And hopefully, with the help of our people, we move fast to recover. Mabalik ang kaaliwalasan, kalinisan, peace and order situation of